SDX Volvo FH540. The SDX Volvo FH540 is a luxurious and powerful vehicle designed to transport horses with exceptional comfort, safety, and style. Built on the renowned Volvo FH chassis, celebrated worldwide for its durability, stability, and outstanding performance. This premium horse truck comes in multiple configurations, capable of carrying anywhere from 4 to 9 horses with ease. Inside, the living area offers true home-like comfort. It includes a fully equipped kitchen, a spacious dining area for 4 people, a modern bathroom, satellite TV, air conditioning, and cozy sleeping accommodations, making long-distance travel both relaxing and convenient for riders and crew. The horse compartment is engineered with equal attention to detail. It features anti-slip rubber flooring, skylights for natural ventilation, cooling fans, adjustable partitions. Vario Signature 1200, the ultimate luxury motorhome. The Vario Signature 1200 is a luxurious, high-end motorhome built on the powerful Mercedes-Benz Actros chassis. At 12 meters long and weighing 26 tons, it stands as a true behemoth of the road, designed for travelers who demand both comfort and prestige. One of its most impressive features is the massive rear garage, large enough to house a full-size sports car, including models like the Mercedes-Benz AMG GT, bringing ultimate convenience and freedom wherever you go. Inside, the Signature 1200 delivers a world-class living experience. Its spacious interior can comfortably accommodate up to 6 people and is packed with premium amenities. The fully equipped kitchen includes a refrigerator, stove, oven, and even a dishwasher, allowing for effortless gourmet cooking on the move. The elegant bathroom features a modern shower, toilet, and sink, providing the comfort of home no matter where you park. Microhouse. The Microhouse is a high-tech micro-home designed to deliver a compact yet fully equipped living space, starting from just $60,000. It offers more technology per square foot than any other product in its class. Inside, it includes everything you need for comfortable living: a modern kitchen, a functional bathroom, a cozy sleeping loft, and a smartly designed living area. The Microhouse also features solar panels paired with a battery backup system, ensuring reliable, eco-friendly power wherever you go. Its portable structure allows you to relocate effortlessly, giving you complete freedom and flexibility. With low operating costs and an impressive return on investment. Cortez 17 Camper. The Cortez 17 is a sleek 17-foot, single-axle travel trailer crafted by Cortez Campers and widely recognized for its lightweight yet durable construction. Its patented composite monocoque frame, built from a fiberglass and resin blend, gives it exceptional strength while keeping the dry weight at just 2,680 pounds. Designed to comfortably sleep too, the Cortez 17 features a main double bed located at the rear of the trailer, with a dinette that can convert into an additional sleeping space when needed. Inside, you'll find a functional galley kitchen equipped with a sink, stove, and refrigerator. Despite its compact size, the bathroom offers both a toilet and a shower. CMC Aluna Motorhome. The CMC Aluna is a high-end luxury motorhome crafted by the Italian company CMC Caravan, celebrated for its spacious interior, premium materials, and advanced features. Designed for comfort, every Aluna model includes a slide-out section that significantly expands the living area, creating a true home-on-wheels experience. Inside, you'll find a full-size kitchen equipped with granite countertops and stainless steel appliances, a cozy bedroom featuring a queen-sized bed, and a well-appointed bathroom with a separate shower and toilet. Ideal for long-distance travel or relaxing stays at your favorite campsite, the CMC Aluna offers an unmatched blend of elegance and practicality. As one of the most luxurious motorhomes on the market, New Camp 2022 Cirrus 820. The New Camp Cirrus 820 is a lightweight 21-foot truck camper designed for most mid-size and full-size pickups. With a dry weight of 5,200 pounds, it features a 2-burner stove, sink, fridge. Mars 15 Premium. The Mars 15 Premium is a luxurious and practical solution for family adventures. Designed with families in mind, this caravan blends the compact versatility of a camper trailer with the high-end comforts of a hybrid caravan. Inside, it includes all the essentials for a comfortable camping experience, such as a dining area, a kitchen, a queen-size bed, and a bathroom. It comes loaded with state-of-the-art features, including a Projecta PM400 battery management system, a Projecta 2000W Pure S-Wave inverter, two 135Ah lithium batteries, a Truma Rapid 14L hot water system, a 400W solar panel, and a reverse camera. Starting at around $49,000, the Mars 15 Premium has become a popular choice, particularly for families seeking comfort, reliability, and adventure-ready performance. Maxus V90 Villa Edition. The Maxus V90 Villa Edition is a revolutionary RV that completely redefines what a mobile home can be. Designed by SAIC Motor, this unique vehicle transforms from a single-story RV into a two-story moving home, featuring a stunning panoramic sunroom when stationary. The main level expands to offer 215 square feet of living space that includes the living room, kitchen, luxury bar, and bathroom. Paxco Grande S1. Priced at around $413,000, the Paxco Grande S1 is a revolutionary tiny home solution designed to deliver maximum flexibility without sacrificing comfort or style. This innovative expandable dwelling can transform from a compact 140 square feet to a spacious 364 square feet in just 15 minutes, giving you plenty of room for living, relaxing, and entertaining. The Grande S1 comes fully furnished, featuring a cozy living area, a functional kitchen, a comfortable bedroom, and a well-designed bathroom. Everything you need for a complete home experience. It's towable with an F-250 or equivalent, and once you arrive at your destination, it can be fully assembled on-site in minutes. Built with a high-tensile steel frame filled with rigid polyurethane, the structure offers impressive durability, insulation, and safety. The Grande S1 also supports off-grid living, thanks to its solar solutions powered by Renogy, making it ideal for remote stays or sustainable lifestyles. Houseboat Classic 180. The Houseboat Classic 180 is a spacious and luxurious floating home designed for comfortable year-round living. With a total area of 450 square meters, it offers the space and feel of a modern residence while giving you the freedom to live directly on the water. Powered by two engines, it cruises comfortably at 10 kilometers per hour and can reach a top speed of 16 kilometers per hour, making it perfect for relaxed travel along lakes and rivers. Built from high-quality materials, the Classic 180 features a sleek, contemporary design. Inside, a bright living room with a full glass wall provides stunning panoramic views,